Hello and welcome to CNG 124 online. In this course, we learn computer networking. So we learn how systems communicate with each other through IP protocols, and specifically IP protocols. Well, I guess not IP. They could be many different protocols, and we learn about how they communicate in that. I'll be your instructor for the semester. George Lemos. I've been teaching Network Plus for a while now. This is the second time it's been online, and it's almost the exact same as the face-to-face course with some minor changes made to the course, just so it can be presented in an online format. Real quick, so as we get started, the syllabus, read through the syllabus and make sure you agree on the syllabus. Simply by stating that you've read the syllabus and agree to the terms of the syllabus. When I make changes, I let you guys know in the news section of the course. So if something does change, I do bring it up. Also, when I do make a change, you'll be able to see it up here in the top right corner under Update Alerts. You'll be able to see feedback that I give. In this course, I encourage you guys to read the updates because if you miss points, I do put why you miss points and expect you to turn that project back in to retrieve the rest of those points. Let's see, the syllabus, accessing Netacad is the next part. Our book is online. Once you go and access our book, it's in digital format at netacad.com. Everyone in the course should be receiving an invite to the Netacad site today. Check your at student.cccs.edu email and click the links there and follow what they say. That will confirm your account there and start you on the process through reading. Once again, everything is done there with some of the assignments with some of the assignments actually being from there, requiring you to take a screen capture or a snip and submitting that. This IPv4 workbook, last semester, the students that were most successful in the course did work from the IPv4 workbook until they mastered IPv4, and then they moved from the workbook just onto the assignment themselves. So that workbook is for your practice. Submit those as we go, and I do give you feedback on that and updated weekly, but that tool is there to help you learn the course yourself. Packet Tracer, one of the tools we use in the course. How to access Packet Tracer takes you out to the Netacad course. And that, like I said, you hear me say Netacad a lot, and that is a Cisco site that we're going to be using to retrieve our information. And when you go there, you simply log on with the credentials with the login that you sent and made. And like I said, all of our reading will be here. Activities will be here. The only thing that will not be here is our lab assignments, where those will be on paper, where you kind of problem solve on paper and figure it out. So that's what you should see when you go to our course, CNG 124-500. A very Cisco heavy course, so you actually learn some Cisco operations. And this will carry you into other courses too. So we don't cover the full aspect of the Cisco course that we're using, but we do learn a lot of different parts to make it to complete CNG 124. I believe I'm still waiting for an updates on these, so these don't completely work yet. Still working on those. When we dive into week one, follow the week layout. I've made other videos last semester. Please follow these videos as a good idea. The weekly check-in videos, I'll be adding current videos. So you'll see this video posted up here in week one content. And then from that, just kind of look at the weekly check-in videos. Those will help you get through the week. If I see other things pop up, I'll start adding to more videos. The discussions are very simple. They're reflective for each week. What did you find easy? What did you find hard? What are you going to find yourself having to work on for next week? Our basic discussion posts. The homework assignments, Here's the activities listed. Oh, I got to change those dates. I'll hop on those dates and update them. But with the homework themselves, we look down here to Lab 1 Binary Math. I've made an excellent video up here that go along with the homeworks to help make those clarified, what you should be doing with the math. With this course, it's always real important to read the chapter under the weekly reading and have an idea. If you try to attack the course the other way around, where you're saying, okay, I'm going to do the assignments beforehand, it doesn't really work out so well. Doing the reading will expose you to those exercises and then help you get a grasp of what we're going to do in the assignments. And if you go back to the assignment, you actually see that activity 7115, binary to decimal, match up to, if I hit it, match up to chapter 7. Right here. So that activity matches up to this activity to where when you complete it, you simply take a screen capture or a snip and it should show you a correct with a check mark saying you completed it. You take that snip and then put it into this assignment Dropbox right here and add the file and then click submit. So on my side it's going to look a little different because I'm not a student, but that's the basic layout. This week we have a few quizzes at the end of the week. Make sure to get those quizzes wrapped up by Sunday. I believe it's quiz over 1 binary conversion. Just go through and make those quizzes. Make sure you submit those by Sunday because that's when they're due. If you read the syllabus, it says no late work or no makeup assignments. So try real hard in this class to develop a way for you to think of this course as a real course. So when you develop it, you're coming to this course and doing the work Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, maybe for 3 hours on Friday. Kind of think of it as a course that you need to devote some time to, and that's the easiest way to get past these online courses where we're not really face-to-face. I'm creating these videos and you're watching the subject matter later. Devoting that sort of class schedule to this online course will help you succeed the best. That's all I have for my first video. Watch it and I'll post another video in the welcome message. Thanks.